Hi, this is Tony Self, Tech Tony to a lot of people that know me. This is going to be a series of videos to help those small business entrepreneurs and those that are just trying to use artificial intelligence to help them do more. Now, one thing that I like to promote is how to actually use it, and best of all, because this changes so much, actually how to do this with free technology. So we're going to focus on one thing today, and I'm going to show you actually how to do that. And that's how to write amazing emails using this artificial intelligence and what's out there. So everyone knows that ChatGPT is the big gorilla in the room. I don't know what you want to say or what you call it, but I've been using that quite a bit. So let me show you here how to do that. So we have, I'm going to go ahead and launch I'm just going to use Gmail to show you this. So I'm going to go over the Gmail and I'm going to launch and compose a brand new message. So a lot of times you get your new message and I want to say, I had a great time. Let's say I met with somebody and I want to keep in contact. Hello, Bob. Had a great time. Had a great time at coffee today. Keep in touch. So it's not too bad. I mean, that's a good small email to write out. So what I'm going to do instead, we use ChatGPT to help me actually make this a bit better. So the way you do this, you create a ChatGPT account. Now this is free. The way, and this is we're in August, almost August of 2023. This changes all the time, and ChatGPT through OpenAI has a free version which you can create. You just have to have a phone number to it. So I created this brand new account, and you can send a message. So I'm going to say, okay, give me the email I just did. We're going to see that in a bit, and I'm going to go ahead and copy this and say write an email message. And I'm just going to paste what I just put in there. And then put it in there and boom. And then here comes ChatGPT to the rescue. Hi Bob, I hope this email finds you well. I just wanted to drop a quick note to say that I had a fantastic time catching up over coffee today. It is always a pleasure spending time with you and discussing various topics. Let's make sure to keep in touch more often. I'm always up for another coffee meetup or any other fun plans we can come up with. Take care and see you soon. Kind regards, Tony. Outstanding. I mean, honestly, you could look at what I was drafting, which was this. Hello, Bob. Had a great time at coffee today. Keep in touch. Versus what ChatGPT just did for free and so quick. And it's just night and day. Now, of course, I could draft this, but I'm kind of busy and don't have the time, and why draft it when I can just use this tool to do that? So that's, again, all free, and you can do this right away. Now, I'm going to show you another item, because again, also Google, which has great tools, they've launched their whole AI initiative, which is a competition to OpenAI. Now, there's some steps you got to jump through that I've learned when I was trying to actually get this implemented on my other Gmail account. So going back to that same account here, you'll see that I have it. Here's a Gmail. Now you need to initiate the AI version of Workspace. They're called Workspace Labs sign up. So if you go here, I'm gonna put the description or the link in the notes down below, and it's workspace.google.com, and you have to be logged into your account. So make sure you're logged into your account. Scroll down, acknowledge. You agree to everything, including giving your firstborn. Click submit. Although Google's awesome, but again, just remember nothing is without everyone. They see absolutely everything. So I'm in the Workspace. So now I got access to the Google Bard AI initiative, which is going to be incredible. If you use Google, which I do all the time, your whole Google Docs, your Google email, the Sheets, which is a spreadsheet, and probably the presentations are all going to be on fire with just AI built in, which is cool. So instead of going back and copying and pasting it like I did in Gmail, I can instead do it built in. So let's go ahead and take a look at that and see how it goes. All right, so we're going to go back to my message. I'm going to just keep this right here, and I'm going to draft a new message, compose a new message. And you see I got the little message here first. I got Google Workplace Labs, you are in. And it's called Duet AI. And this has all been integrated. So now I have a new little button, which I didn't have before. So I'm going to go ahead and go to this here and copy what I had. Okay, so I had to take a bit of a pause there. I'm telling you, some of these things are kind of hard to do. The other one where you just copy and paste from OpenAI is a lot easier, but once you get the Google stuff turned on, which I had to relog back in, I didn't show this, but now you can see my screen here, welcome to Workspace Labs, and then click got it, and now I should be able to launch and do it, and here it is. I guess I had to restart it. So now you see here, which is different, is you have the Help Me Write button, which is this little button right here, and that's the Help Me Write in Workspace Lab. That's what I was trying to get. So you have to get that turned on. So what I had to do is I opened up in a different browser, unconnected and reconnected my account, and it worked. I am so sorry. Technology is fun, and for me, it's always a challenge. For some people, it's super frustrating and they hate it, but I love it. So this is how it works. So once you get that going, so now we're going to bring up my draft that I had before. We did the nice one here of hello Bob. Here's Bob. Here's Bob. Hello Bob. Had a great time at coffee today. Keep in touch. So what you do is you take that, you select it. Now that I have Google Labs Help Me Write all turned on for the AI part of it, click it, and it will give me some items there. Help me write, formalize, elaborate. So I'm gonna say, okay, help me write. So you take your text, copy and paste it like I did in there. Click create. And then it'll go ahead and draft, help me write a letter that I did with OpenAI ChatGPT beforehand, but now I'm using Google Bard to create that same letter in Gmail. I don't have to copy and paste and go back in a different application. I just had to go through the wonderful steps of turning on the Workplace Lab, which is now. So this is let's compare the two. So on this one here, so Google said, hey, hi, name. I just wanted to reach out and say that I had a great time catching up with you over coffee today. It was so nice to see you and hear what you've been up to. I've been looking forward to staying in touch and seeing you again soon. Best, and you put your name. So you can give it item there. So, I mean, not too bad. You can say, I can formalize it, elaborate. This is nice. The right down here allows us to recreate it. It'll do another version of it. I can shorten it, elaborate, just kind of keep it. Or my favorite one is I'm feeling lucky. So this last time I did this, it had an awesome response. So let's see what it comes back with. And it's thinking, dearest, I am writing to you from an enchanted forest where I have been on a quest to find the legendary sword Excalibur. It has been a long and arduous journey, but I have finally reached the heart of the forest where the sword is said to be hidden. I'm about to embark on the final leg of my quest, and I'm filled with both excitement and trepidation. I know that the road ahead will be dangerous, but I am determined to succeed. I know that you are rooting for me, and your support means the world to me. I'll write to you again soon after I found Excalibur and returned it to the safety of my home. Until then, please know that I'm thinking of you always, with love. Generated with I'm feeling like in Gmail. That's kind of cool. It's really kind of creepy too, but it's not too bad. So I'm liking it, but I don't know. That's me. And the other one I had before, it was not so creepy, and I would have actually, if someone was asking to meet with me, I would have totally done it. So this is two options, again, all free. So using OpenAI ChatGPT real quick, you can put it in there, copy and paste. Does a great job. Or you can just go ahead and turn, if you have Gmail, most people do, turn on the Workspace Labs. Make sure that you go and log in, log back out like I had to do. But it's, it also has a built-in function, and it starts to also add all the AI components to the documents. So this is Tech Tony, or Tony Self, saying thank you for watching. Hope you like this. I'm going to do a bit more. Give me some suggestions if you'd like. I'm looking always for different topics, and subscribe as well, trying to get the channel all built up. So I do appreciate your time. Thank you so much for watching. And